decade ago, in Antarctica, scientists discovered a mysterious radio signal coming from beneath the ice. Today, we still have no idea what it was. Hi everyone, astrophysicist here with a good old-fashioned space mystery for you. Antarctica is a surprisingly busy place, especially for scientists who study things that need minimal human intervention, or scientists who are being terrorized by a shape-shifting alien. A lot of astronomy happens in Antarctica, like the Anida Project, which is a high-altitude balloon that carries a big radio detector. Here's what that looks like. There's detectors on the top, because radio waves come from space, but there's also detectors on the bottom, because radio wave will bounce off the ice. The radio waves in question here are a product of the interaction of a mysterious little particle called a neutrino with our own atmosphere. That's what Anida was actually built to study. Okay, so Anida can tell which radio waves came straight from space, and it can tell which radio waves hit ice, bounced off, and then hit a detector. Here's where it gets weird. In 2016, two separate flights collected radio waves that had come from the ground, but without interacting with ice first. They came from below the horizon. But that shouldn't be possible. The Earth is pretty good at absorbing radio waves, and the waves would have had to take these red paths through the ocean and the crust and the mantle to get to the detector. Nothing in our understanding of physics really explained how this happened. Now, to be fair, our knowledge of physics is not complete. We don't know what dark matter is. We don't know what dark energy is. We barely know what a neutrino is. This anomalous signal is most likely pointing to some kind of weird particle interaction we have not theorized yet. Or maybe it's some Lovecraftian horror buried beneath the ice, just waiting for someone to crack open the Necronomicon. There's no way to know. Anyways, this is just one of those fun little mysteries the universe has provided us with to remind us that we are missing physics. Potentially a lot of physics. Science is a process, not a result. But that's all for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.